Museum conversation.
Hello, welcome to the City Museum. It is wonderful to see you today.
Hi, thank you so much. It is my first time visiting this museum.
That is wonderful. We love first-time visitors. Is there anything special you would like to see?
Actually, I am not sure what you have here. Can you tell me about the museum?
Of course, we have many sections: ancient history, dinosaurs, art, and science.
That sounds amazing. There is so much to explore.
Yes, there is. Would you like a quick tour? I can show you the highlights.
Yes, please. I would love that. Thank you for offering.
My pleasure. Let us start this way. Follow me, please.
Okay, I am right behind you.
Over here, you can see our ancient Egyptian section. It is very popular.
Wow, look at these statues. They look absolutely amazing.
They are more than 2,000 years old. Can you believe it?
Really? That is unbelievable. 2,000 years is such a long time.
Yes, they were discovered near the Nile River in Egypt many years ago.
How did they get here to this museum?
They were gifts from the Egyptian government. We are very lucky to have them.
They are so well preserved. The details are incredible.
Our team works very hard to protect them.
I can see that. Can I take a photo here?
Sure, you can take photos, but please turn off the flash.
Okay, no problem. I will use natural light only.
Perfect. The flash can damage old artifacts over time.
I understand. I will be very careful.
Great.
Now, let me show you something exciting.
This way, please.
Where are we going next?
To the dinosaur section. You will find amazing fossils there.
Oh, I love dinosaurs. I have been fascinated by them since I was a child.
Many visitors say the same thing. It's everyone's favorite part of the museum.
I can imagine why. Dinosaurs are so mysterious and interesting.
Wait until you see our T-Rex skeleton. It's enormous.
I cannot wait. This museum is really beautiful and well organized.
Thank you so much. We are very happy you are enjoying your visit.
I definitely am. I will tell all my friends to come and visit too.
That would be wonderful. We appreciate that very much.
How long does it take to see the whole museum?
Most visitors spend about 2 to 3 hours here.
Perfect. I have plenty of time today.
Excellent. Take your time and enjoy every section. Weather conversation.
Good morning. It is nice to see you today.
Good morning. How are you doing this fine day?
I am doing very well. Thank you. The weather looks really nice today.
Yes, it is beautiful. The sun is shining brightly.
I love sunny days like this. Yesterday was so different.
You are right. Yesterday was very cloudy. The sky was completely gray.
True, and it also rained a little in the afternoon.
Yes, I remember. I got caught in the rain without an umbrella.
Oh no, that is not fun. Did you get very wet?
A little bit. I had to run to find shelter.
That sounds uncomfortable. Do you like rainy days in general?
Sometimes I do. Rain can be relaxing when you are inside.
I agree. Reading a book with rain outside is very peaceful.
Exactly. But I prefer sunny days like today.
Same here. Sunny days make me feel happy and energetic.
Me too. I feel like going outside and doing something active.
The sky looks so clear and blue right now. Not a single cloud.
It is perfect. Do you think the weather will change later?
I checked the forecast this morning. It might rain in the evening.
Oh, really? Then I should carry an umbrella just in case.
Good idea. It is always better to be safe than sorry.
You are right. I do not want to get wet again.
What is the temperature today? Do you know?
I think it's around 25 degrees Celsius.
That's perfect. Not too hot and not too cold.
Yes, very comfortable weather. Great for being outdoors.
This is perfect weather for a walk in the park.
That is a wonderful idea. The park must be beautiful today.
It is. The flowers are blooming and the trees are green.
Maybe I will go there after work today.
You should. It is very relaxing to walk in nature.
I agree. Fresh air is good for the mind and body.
Yes, let us enjoy this nice weather while it lasts.
Absolutely. Who knows what tomorrow will bring?
That's true. Every sunny day is a gift.
Well said. Have a wonderful day today.
Thank you. You too. Enjoy the sunshine.
Yes, the mechanic said the engine has a big problem.
I am sorry to hear that. Car repairs are so expensive these days.
I know. It is very stressful, but I'm glad you live nearby.
I am happy to help. But look at the road ahead.
Oh no. Why are there so many cars?
The traffic is terrible this morning. It is bumper to bumper.
We are barely moving. What time is it?
It is 8:45. We have the team meeting in 15 minutes.
I'm worried. I don't want to be late for the boss.
Do not panic yet. Let me check my GPS.
Does it show a faster way?
No, the map says everything is red. Every street is busy.
Wait, I remember something. Can you turn right at the next light?
Onto Oak Street? That is a very small road.
Yes, but nobody uses it in the morning. It connects to the back of our office.
Are you sure? I usually stay on the highway.
I am sure. My sister takes that way to school. It's a good shortcut.
Okay, I trust you. I will turn right here.
Look, the street is completely empty.
Wow, you were right. We can drive the normal speed now.
See? We'll make it on time.
You really saved the day, Sarah. I was getting nervous.
We make a good team. You have the car, and I have the directions.
Perfect. We'll be at the office door in 5 minutes.
Great. I can buy you a coffee before the meeting starts.
That sounds delicious. Thank you.
It's the least I can do. Thanks for driving.
Anytime. We'll arrive safe and sound.